Stop. You might think oatmeal is the healthiest breakfast, but what if I told you that simple mistakes could turn it into a silent health hazard? Oatmeal is packed with fiber, keeps you full, and supports heart health. But most people are making critical mistakes that sabotage its benefits, and could even be harming their bodies without realizing it. From hidden blood sugar spikes to dangerous ingredient combos, these 9 mistakes could be wrecking your health. Before you take another bite, watch this video till the end, because mistake number 7 is something almost everyone does, and it could be silently damaging your gut. 1. Using water instead of milk. One prevalent error is cooking oatmeal with water rather than milk. While water is a convenient option, it often results in a bland and less satisfying dish. Milk, whether dairy or plant-based, imparts creaminess and richness, enhancing the oatmeal's flavor and nutritional profile. As noted by Prevention, cooking oats in water lacks the protein necessary for satiety, whereas using milk provides this essential nutrient, keeping you fuller longer. Moreover, milk contributes to a smoother texture, making each spoonful more enjoyable. The natural sugars in milk also add subtle sweetness, reducing the need for additional sweeteners. For those who prefer non-dairy alternatives, options like almond, soy, or oat milk can offer similar benefits, though it's important to choose unsweetened versions to control sugar intake. To maximize flavor and texture, consider cooking your oats in milk from the start. This method allows the oats to absorb the milk fully, resulting in a creamier consistency. If you prefer a lighter option, you can use a mixture of half water and half milk, striking a balance between richness and calorie content. 2. Using a small pot or bowl. The size of your cooking vessel plays a crucial role in oatmeal preparation. Using a pot or bowl that's too small can lead to messy boilovers and uneven cooking. Oatmeal tends to bubble vigorously as it cooks, and without adequate space, these bubbles can spill over, creating a sticky mess on your stovetop or microwave. Prevention highlights that oatmeal's viscous texture is prone to forming large bubbles, making spillovers likely when using small containers. To prevent this, opt for a larger, deeper pot or bowl than you might initially think necessary. This extra space accommodates the bubbling action, ensuring the oatmeal cooks evenly without spilling over. Additionally, keeping an eye on your oatmeal and stirring it occasionally can help break up bubbles and promote even cooking. In the microwave, use a microwave-safe bowl that's both wide and deep. Stopping the microwave halfway through the cooking process to stir the oats can also prevent overflow and ensure a creamy texture. Using a larger bowl and breaking up the cook time with stirring can prevent messy overflows. 3. Adding oats at the wrong time. The timing of when you add oats to the cooking liquid significantly affects the final texture of your oatmeal. Adding oats to cold liquid and then bringing it to a boil can result in uneven texture, with some oats overcooked and others undercooked. Conversely, adding oats to already boiling liquid allows for more controlled cooking and a desirable texture. Prevention suggests that for a creamier oatmeal, oats should be added after the liquid has come to a simmer. This method ensures that the oats begin cooking immediately upon contact with the hot liquid, leading to a uniform, creamy consistency. Experimenting with this technique can lead to discovering your ideal oatmeal texture. Whether you enjoy a porridge-like creaminess or a heartier chew, adjusting when you add the oats to the liquid can make a significant difference in your breakfast experience. For not adding salt, salt is a simple yet transformative addition to oatmeal that many overlook. Without it, oatmeal can taste bland and uninteresting. A pinch of salt enhances the natural flavors of the oats, bringing out their nuttiness and subtle sweetness. Adding salt at the beginning of cooking ensures that the porridge tastes nutty, toasty, and delicious. Incorporating salt at the start of the cooking process allows it to dissolve and distribute evenly, seasoning the oats from within. This foundational layer of flavor means you may require less added sugar or other flavorings later, leading to a more balanced and healthful dish. It's a small step that makes a substantial difference in the overall taste of your oatmeal. 5. Forgetting to stir. Stirring oatmeal during cooking is essential for achieving a creamy texture and preventing lumps. Without occasional stirring, oats can clump together, and the bottom layer may stick to the pot, leading to uneven cooking and a less pleasant eating experience. Stirring helps break up bubbles before they get too big, reducing the likelihood of an explosion and contributing to a creamier texture. Regular stirring encourages the release of starches from the oats, which naturally thickens the mixture and creates a smooth, velvety consistency. While stirring ensures even cooking, neglecting it can lead to burned oatmeal at the bottom and undercooked oats on top. A common frustration for many oatmeal lovers is scraping burnt bits off the pot, which not only ruins the flavor but also adds unnecessary cleanup time. Stirring helps prevent the oats from settling and sticking, allowing the heat to circulate evenly. The best practice is to stir gently every few minutes while simmering, especially with thicker cuts like steel-cut oats, which can take up to 30 minutes to cook. 6. Adding sweeteners too early. Another oatmeal mistake many people make is adding sweeteners like honey, maple syrup, or brown sugar too early in the cooking process. While it might seem logical to add everything at once, doing so can negatively impact both flavor and nutrition. When sweeteners are cooked for too long, their chemical structure changes, which can alter their taste and diminish the depth of flavor. For example, honey can lose its delicate floral notes, and brown sugar may caramelize too quickly, making the oatmeal taste overly cooked or burnt. From a nutritional standpoint, cooking sweeteners too long can reduce their health benefits. For instance, raw honey has antimicrobial properties that are destroyed when exposed to prolonged heat. Similarly, maple syrup contains antioxidants that diminish when boiled. Adding these sweeteners at the end preserves their flavors and potential health benefits, offering a more satisfying eating experience. You'll also find that you need less sweetener when added last, helping reduce excess sugar intake. 7. Overcooking your oats. Overcooking oatmeal can lead to a mushy, unappetizing texture that diminishes the overall eating experience. While it's essential to cook oats thoroughly, extending the cooking time beyond the recommended duration causes them to break down excessively, resulting in a gluey consistency. To achieve the ideal texture, follow the cooking instructions specific to the type of oats you're using, whether they're quick oats, rolled oats, or steel-cut oats. For instance, rolled oats typically require about 5 minutes of cooking, while steel-cut oats may need up to 20 minutes. Monitoring the cooking process and tasting the oats for doneness can help you avoid overcooking and ensure a pleasant, slightly chewy texture. Moreover, overcooked oats can lose some of their nutritional value. Prolonged exposure to heat may degrade certain heat-sensitive nutrients, such as some B vitamins. By cooking oats just until they're tender, you preserve their nutritional integrity and enjoy a more satisfying meal. 8. Neglecting to store oats properly. Improper storage of oats can lead to spoilage, off flavors, and potential health risks. Oats are susceptible to moisture, pests, and odors from other foods, all of which can compromise their quality. To maintain freshness, store oats in an airtight container in a cool, dark place, such as a pantry or cupboard. This practice protects them from humidity and temperature fluctuations that can cause them to go rancid or develop mold. Additionally, be mindful of the expiration date and rotate your stock to use older oats first. If you purchase oats in bulk, consider dividing them into smaller portions and storing them separately to minimize exposure to air and contaminants each time you open the container. 9. Choosing flavored or instant oatmeal packets. Opting for flavored or instant oatmeal packets may seem convenient, but they often contain added sugars, artificial flavors, and preservatives that diminish the health benefits of oatmeal. These additives can lead to increased calorie intake and potential blood sugar spikes, undermining oatmeal's reputation as a heart-healthy and diabetes-friendly food.